Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we bring you this easy but amazing looking drawing from one of the most famous Rick and Morty episodes, Pickle Rick. Draw along to see how you can do it at home. We're going to start with an outline of the pickle, which is an oblong shape with rounded ends. At the top, we draw two large circles for Pickle Rick's eyes, which touch slightly. The pupils are looking in the same direction, but slightly off to give a crazed look. There are two lines underneath for his crow's feet, and one large unibrow above. The nose is like another little pickle, and the mouth is a big wide smile. His teeth are short little nubs with big spaces between them. You can see the tongue at the back, but you can stick it out if you prefer. There are also lots of little bumps as you would find on the skin of a pickle. Then we have a long circle pattern going up and down to give more texture. Now we can start inking with our black pen. Colour in the dark of the mouth, but be careful to still show the teeth. And here's our finished Pickle Rick drawing. If you have any more characters from Rick and Morty or other favourite shows you'd like to see, drop us a comment below and we'll see you next time.